Hi guys, so in this video I am going to discuss about retrograde Jupiter transit which will be takes place from 20th June onwards to 18th October 2021. So in this video I will give you predictions for each zodiac sign. At the same time I will give you some precautions also. So if you do not ignore those precautions. If you follow those precautions, then the degree level of the negativity will be decreases up to some level. Okay, so at the same time we need to check your dasa system etc also, but whatever it is, just take care about those precautions. Second thing, that is disclaimer that all these predictions are general, because in your zodiac sign not only you, there are millions of people born actually. So we need to check your chart what dasa and subdasa you are running through, then only we can give guarantee for these predictions. But whatever dasa subdasa you are running through, if you take care of those predictions, it will be good for you. Let's say if you are running through a bad dasa, and if I tell you that you have to take care about your marriage life in this time period, then if you take care about the relationship or marriage life, then the degree level of the problems which you will face, which this transit is going to give you, will be decreases up to some level. Okay, hope you got it. So for Aries zodiac sign people, this transit is Jupiter is sitting in 11th house of desires or hopes and wishes. So it means that some of your desires will be fulfilled in this time period, and some other few desires will not takes place in a right manner, and you have to do more hard work to fulfill those desires. I mean to say, let's say if you have two desires, one is related to career and other one is marriage, then marriage related desires may not fulfill in a proper way, or else it will fulfill with delay and other desire about your career will be fulfilled in correct time, right time. So likewise actually indicated. So, and first, that is the first thing. So if you ask me that what about other desires, how to fulfill it, simply I would say do more hard work, put more efforts into it, so then it will be fulfilled. But we need to check your chart also, what dasa you are running, all this stuff I told you already in the disclaimer. Please check out introduction part of this video. And another thing I want to tell you, that here if you observe, Mars actually just a minute, so Mars actually aspecting Jupiter through 8th aspect actually. So because of that, some of your desires fulfill with delay. Okay, and the main important thing actually, Mars will will go to Leo sign after July 20th. So wait for July 20th. So basically for Aries people, some of your desires, some of the few things in your life will be little bit problematic because of Mars. So wait for July 20th. June 20th onwards to July 20th actually will be little bit problematic for Aries zodiac sign people, but it won't be that much big problem. It will be like little bit delay, or else a little bit obstacles you will get, such kind of problems only. No need to worry. Number one. Number two, actually, what kind of desires these people going to focus, what events will be takes place. Most probably the events would be related to gaining knowledge which enhance your career actually. And second thing, actually something related to children also will be takes place for Aries zodiac sign people in this time, because Jupiter actually aspecting 5th house. And another thing I want to tell you that July 17th onwards to August 11th, in this time period you have to take care about your relationship. Relationship in the sense, if you are in love life with your boyfriend or girlfriend. If you are married, then with your spouse you have to take care, because there will be little bit problems indicated, but at the same time this is a good time also. You will enjoy relationship, both actually indicated. For some zodiac sign, from Aries people, for some Aries people it will be little bit problematic, because if they are running through a bad time period. If they are running through good time period, then the degree level of the problems in the relationship will be less. At the same time, they will enjoy the relationship also in this time period. So both, actually it's a kind of mixed results kind of period which I mentioned now. So that's it all about Aries zodiac sign. Okay, for Taurus zodiac sign people, Jupiter actually sitting in the 10th house. Okay, so in this Jupiter retrograde transit time period, something related to your career is going to be happen, but we need to check one thing here which you forgot, that is Mars actually aspecting Jupiter, which is not good. So from June 20th to July 20th, Mars will stay in Cancer sign, which is a debilitated sign or nature sign for Mars. This aspect actually 8th aspect, which is not good. Okay, so up to July 20th, whatever the desires which related to your career will be fulfilled with some little bit obstacles. Not only career related things, even if, of course, this Jupiter retrograde transit is about your assets also, because it is aspecting your second house and also fourth house. Even it's related to vehicles also. So something buying a house or anything related to house, anything related to vehicle, or else anything related to buying a very expensive materials will be little bit trouble only up to July 20th. It will be like some delay, some obstacles like that. So after July 20th onwards, you can expect betterment. So whatever the desires you have in the career, and your fixed assets, or something buying very expensive materials, or else buying a house or vehicle, so this stuff actually will be fulfilled after July 20th. That I can say. This is the main important thing. Second thing, actually, if you observe for your zodiac sign, Mars actually 7th lord and 12th lord also. So this Mars aspect on Jupiter up to July 20th only. After that, actually it's not important, because Mars will transit over Leo, which is a friendly sign, so no need to worry. So up to July 20th, from June 20th onwards to July 20th, you have to take care about your relationship, because something little bit disturbances in the relationship may takes place. So just take care about your relationship in the sense your boyfriend or girlfriend, or else spouse, if you are married, spouse. So that's it all about Taurus, guys. Of course, sorry, I forgot one more thing. July 17th to August 11th, actually you have to take care about your health, but no need to worry. If you are running through a bad time period, if you are running through a dasa which is problematic, then you have to be very careful. If you are running through good time period, you don't need to consider, you don't take this precaution as very serious. Okay, hope you enjoy the video. And next sign we have to discuss, actually, Gemini. For Gemini zodiac sign people, Jupiter actually sitting in the ninth house, so which is aspecting your fifth house. Fifth house actually it's about pregnancy, children, enjoyment, entertainment, love life, many things are there. So if you are not married, then love life actually indicate like you will enjoy new love life, or else generally if you have you are already into love, then you will enjoy good love life. But with some difficulties also indicate some challenges, with some challenges like sometimes there will be little bit misunderstandings, etc. indicated because Mars actually aspecting Jupiter through eighth aspect. I mean, Mars actually debilitated actually, which is not good, and aspecting Jupiter. And this Mars transit, Mars aspect actually, aspect problem is just 1 month only, that is between June 20th to July 20th. You have to be careful because this will give you some little bit problems, kind of misunderstandings, etc. actually indicated. So that is the problem if you are into love, and if you are try to get new girlfriend or boyfriend, then it will be little bit problems between June 20th to July 20th. After that it will be fine. And the second thing actually, Jupiter will stay up to September 14th. September 14th onwards the things are different actually, that we will discuss later. First thing actually, focus on up to September 14th. Between June 20th to up to September 14th, in this main period, June 20th to July 20th, you have to be take care about your love life. So that's the main important thing. Second thing actually, if you are married, then childbirth actually indicated. If you are looking forward to get pregnancy, or else if you waiting for your wife to get pregnancy, then this is the time period she will get pregnancy. Or else if you are female, then you will get pregnancy. So that is the main thing about Jupiter aspect on fifth house, Jupiter sitting in the ninth house. Even ninth house also kind of children related thing only, because ninth house actually, from the fifth house is ninth house. That is a Bhavat Bhavan concept. You will get confused. Simply I would say this transit actually is about children. If you are married, then children related things actually indicated, like if childbirth, if suppose you have children, let's say if you have children, then some events actually related to children will be takes place. And whether it is positive events or not, that depends upon your dasa system. Whatever the events which I discussed, that whether it will be whether it will be happen in a smooth manner or not, that we need to check your whole chart. I already discussed about this thing in disclaimer. And the second thing actually, from June 20th onwards to July 20th, in this 1 month time period, you will face some health problems. So take care about your health. But if you are running through a good time period, good dasa, then no need to worry about this thing. So hope you understand. Hope you enjoyed these predictions and precautions. For Cancer zodiac sign people, Jupiter actually sitting in the 8th house. Okay, and if you observe very carefully, Mars actually aspecting Jupiter. This Mars aspect actually only between June 20th to July 20th only. So in this time period, you have to be careful regarding your in-laws matter, because 8th house is all about in-laws. And once July 20th over, then it's okay. And if you are waiting for to get some inheritance, then you should be careful also in the time period between June 20th to July 20th. And this Jupiter transit actually, I mean to say, up to September 14th it will transit in the 8th house. Later actually it will transit over your 7th house. Okay, that we will discuss later. First of all, up to September 14th, you will focus on your house related matter actually, like maybe you will feel like to shift house, you will plan to shift house, or else something events related to house and vehicle, something related to comfort items indicated. And also sometimes in this transit time period you will feel like to travel foreign land, or else to settle down in foreign land. This prediction about settling down foreign land and traveling to foreign actually will be applicable for some people who have this desire. For other people actually, I would say consider the predictions which are told about house related matter or vehicle related matters, like, or else something comfort related materials actually indicated, like you will buy some comfort related materials in this time period, or else you may shift to another house, or at least you will plan to shift to another house or buying a house, like something related to house actually indicated, buying a house or shifting, whatever. So after September 14th to October 18th actually is about your relationship. So something related to relationship in this time period will be takes place, but whether it is positive event or negative event, that depends upon your chart and what kind of dasa actually you are running through. That I discussed it in the disclaimer note. You can check it out in the introduction part. But basically this period, September 14th to October 18th actually is about relationship. So if you are married, marriage life. If you are into love, it's love life. Okay, so that's it about Cancer zodiac sign people. For Leo zodiac sign people, Jupiter actually sitting in retrograde Jupiter will transit over your 7th house. This is your 7th house. So you will focus on relationship, marriage life, all this stuff up to September 14th only, because after September 14th Jupiter will transit over your 6th house. And main important precaution or prediction, both actually precaution and prediction, I want to tell you that Mars actually aspecting your Jupiter, this retrograde Jupiter, from Cancer sign, which is a debilitated sign. So Mars here is not in a good placement, which this 8th aspect actually not good. So between June 20th onwards to up to July 20th, there will be a little bit problems in the relationship indicated because of Mars aspect, with that we should consider. So at the same time, I suggest you be careful in the relationship. But if you are running through a good dasa time period and your 7th house condition is good, then you don't need to worry about this time period, that is between June 20th to July 20th. And also there are chances of salary increment also indicated in this time period, but we need to check your dasa and other stuff, then only we can tell. But if you are running through even average kind of time period, that you will understand based on the events. If you are, suppose you are getting better in this time, I mean to say, if you are running through, whether you are running through good time period or not, you will understand by events, right? Let's say this June month is going fine, then you can, and also July month will be also fine, then you can expect there will be some salary increment will be takes place in this transit time period. So hope you got it, hope you enjoyed this video. That's it all about Leo. Virgo zodiac sign people, Jupiter actually is sitting in the 6th house, right? And it is aspecting 10th house. Okay, Jupiter is in the 6th house, which will be from June 20th to September 14th on. After that it will transit over Capricorn, that we will discuss later. So it is in the 6th house and it is aspecting your 10th house. So up to September 14th it's more about your career. So retrograde Jupiter will give you something events related to career, but whether it is good or bad, actually that depends upon your chart and dasa, which I discussed in the disclaimer note. You can check it out in the introduction part. So basically you will focus more on career, like the desires about your career will be increases, or something related, something event will be indicated. At the same time you will focus also. Event means that positive or not, that different story. And Mars actually aspecting Jupiter through 8th aspect, so which is not good because Mars actually debilitated. Okay, so because of that, between June 20th onwards up to July 20th, that is 1 month time period, you have to be careful about your career, especially how you talk, all this stuff. But don't worry if you are running through a good dasa time period, and that we need to check. But if you are running through bad dasa time period, just take care, then the degree level of the problems will be decreases, or even you won't face problems in the career in this period. And also one more thing, Jupiter actually will transit over, retrograde Jupiter will transit over your 6th house. It's about health. From June 20th to July 20th, you have to be careful about your health. If you are careful, then the degree level of the health problems will be decreases. That's kind of precaution. As I told you in the disclaimer note, this video is not only for predictions, it's for precautions. So take care about your health in this time period, because there are chances of getting health problems actually indicated. And the next thing, actually after September 14th to October 18th, you will focus on some enjoyments, love life, etc. indicated. Yeah, that's it all about retrograde Jupiter for Virgo zodiac sign. For Libra zodiac sign people, Jupiter actually sitting in the 5th house. Jupiter actually will retrograde Jupiter actually transit over your 5th house. So main important thing, actually Mars will aspect retrograde Jupiter through 8th aspect, which is very important. Because of this aspect, between June 20th onwards to July 20th, Libra zodiac sign people may face relationship problem or marriage life issues, unless they are running through a good dasa time period. So my suggestion to Libra zodiac sign people is, be careful in the relationship or marriage life between June 20th to July 20th, because Mars aspect actually not good, because it is in a bad condition. Okay, hope you got it. So next thing, actually Jupiter is sitting in the 5th house, which is about children. So if you are looking forward to have children into your life, like childbirth, then if you are waiting to get a pregnancy, if you are female, if you are waiting for to get pregnancy, then, or else if you are male and if you waiting for your wife to get pregnancy, then this time period there are chances of childbirth indicated. But I can't give you 100% guarantee for this prediction, because we need to check your dasa and other stuff also, as I mentioned in the disclaimer note. So But other things about fifth house will be activate, like if suppose you are not married, then love life thing actually indicated. Whether you married or not, there will be some kind of entertainment will be indicated in your life. Yeah, that's it about Libra. Sorry, I forgot one more thing. Jupiter here aspecting your 11th house also, which is about income. And because of many other stuff, I would say you will focus on wealth in this time period, like how much you are spending, how much you are saving, etc. All these things actually you will focus. It's about money period also. But one more thing, these predictions which I told about children and also money, which will be applicable up to September 18th, sorry, September 14th only. After September 14th to up to October 18th, which will be different actually, because Jupiter will comes to your fourth house that time period. So then what happens actually, Jupiter will travel over your fourth house. So fourth house actually is about properties, vehicles, house related matters, etc. Properties means immovable properties, okay, and vehicles. There are, when in this time period between September 14th to October 18th, you may shift to another house, if or else you will, at least you will think about buying new house if suppose you are living in a rental house, or else you will focus on vehicles, something related to vehicles or house in you are going to focus, okay. At the same time you need to check your dasa system also. These are the general predictions, hope you got it. That's all about Libra zodiac sign people. For Scorpio zodiac sign people, Jupiter is sitting, retrograde Jupiter will transit over your fourth house. So you may buy a new house, or you may shift to new house, or else at least you will get new thoughts about buying a new house. Until now you didn't got proper thoughts, but in this time period there are chances that you will get new kind of thoughts. I mean to say, you will feel that there are no chances to buying a house, but in this time period you will get new kind of ideas how to buy a new house, or else you will get plan to shift to another better house. Such kind of things actually indicated. At the same time, if suppose house related thing not happens, then vehicle related things will be happens in same scenario. Whatever I explained about house, for vehicle also same thing, I don't need to repeat. And it is about your family also. So you will focus on your family, emotional things actually. So and then second thing actually, you will focus on your career. Here career in the sense like development in the career, some kind of status in the career, etc. And actually if you observe, Mars actually aspecting Jupiter through 8th aspect. So, and one more thing I forgot to mention, that whatever I predicted, which is up to September 18th actually, okay, sorry, September 14th. So after September 14th to October 18th, the predictions are different, that I will discuss later. First of all, Mars aspecting 8th house, Mars aspecting Jupiter through 8th aspect. This is the 8th aspect actually, okay. So because of this aspect, you have to be careful regarding vehicle related things, house related things, especially these things, of course in every aspect, but these are the main things which you need to focus in the period between June 20th to July 20th. So after that, I mean to say, if suppose you are shifting to any new house in this time period, then be careful. That's my advice. And and the second thing, actually, you will focus on career. And one thing I forgot to mention, that between July 17th to August 11th, this period actually, just you should take care about your relationship or marriage life. So it's, if you are take care, if you are taking some precautions about it, even for the thing which I explained about Mars aspect, if on that period also, in these two periods, whatever the precautions I gave, if you take precautions, then the degree level of the problem will decreases like anything. Okay, or else it will nullify also the negative things which you will face, will not be happen also. I mean, it will nullify the negative things, like Mars aspect on Jupiter, which is a negative. If you take care about, if you take precautions, whatever I told, then it will nullify, or else at least up to some degree level it will decreases. So that's it all about Scorpio zodiac sign people. For Sagittarius zodiac sign people, retrograde Jupiter will transit over your third house. Okay, this is your third house. But very important thing, actually, of course, when it is traveling in your third house, you will focus on siblings and all this stuff. I mean, sibling related events will be happen. That is keep aside. But more than that, more important event, actually, money. So this time period is about wealth. How? Because Jupiter is aspecting your 11th house of desires and income, all these things. Actually, 11th house is mainly about profits, how much income you are getting, all the important money related matters. And this Jupiter, retrograde Jupiter, will stay in your third house up to September 14th. After that, it again will enter into your second house, okay, and will combines with the second Lord Saturn. Again, second house is the house of wealth, properties, etc. So this transit, I would say, is more about money, or else wealth, or else something like materialistic things, actually. Okay, that is the first thing. Second thing, of course, I mean, another reason behind I said it's money, because Venus will travel into Leo from July 17th to August 11th. So in this period, Venus actually will aspect Jupiter. Venus actually again 11th lord, and Venus and Jupiter mutual aspect means something related to money, because these are the two planets. Jupiter and Venus are the karaka for wealth or money or any materialistic things, actually. When it is combines, or Jupiter also is for wealth, actually. Venus wealth, at the same time materialistic pleasures, etc. So if you see, all aspect is money related period, but sometimes you will face some problems also related to money. And also we need to check your chart, whether your chart actually your dasa system actually represents same thing or not. Okay, that is this is the main, these are the main reasons which I told you, that for Sagittarius zodiac sign people, Jupiter transit, retrograde Jupiter actually will give money related things. Money related things, positive or negative, that is a different story. That depends upon your dasa and other things. But basically, it is like kind of planning period for your future. You will get new kind of thoughts. You will get, at the same time, some positive things also this transit will try to give you. but your dasas also should be support. That is different story which I explain in disclaimer. But for overall, actually, for Sagittarius people, definitely will focus on money or properties. Okay, that's it. And the second thing, as I told you, as I said earlier, it is transiting over your third house up to September 14th. So it's more about siblings, some kind of communication or dealings with your siblings actually indicated. That is the second thing. And moreover, one more important thing actually, Mars is your fifth lord, which is aspecting Jupiter, okay, through eighth aspect, okay, eighth aspect. So this is not good because Mars actually not in a good condition there. So which is in the 8th house, etc., and it is in the Nicha house. Nicha means debilitated. So you have to take care about children in the period between June 20th onwards to July 20th. That 1 month period about children related things, even love life also. If you are not married, if you have love life, etc. So take care about your love life and children related things. If you are pregnant, if you are woman, if you are female and you are having pregnancy right now, then be careful in this time period. That is my precaution. Okay, that's it all about Sagittarius. For Capricorn ascendant people, Capricorn zodiac sign people, Jupiter actually transiting over your second house. Okay, this is up to September 14th. After that, it will transit over Capricorn sign, which is first house. But again, it combines with second lord Saturn. So second house energies are more indicated in this transit time period. So that I would say you are going to focus more on wealth related matters, family assets, your savings, income, all the money related matters in this overall period. That is June 20th onwards to October 18th. Okay, so that is the first thing. But here there is a precaution you should listen. Mars actually aspecting Jupiter, which is 8th aspect. Okay, due to this thing, between June 20th onwards to July 20th, you should be careful about all the money related matters, all the family matters also. Okay, family assets, family related stuff, actually you need to focus in this time period. This is a kind of precaution. Of course, how much wealth you will, whether you will gain some wealth or not, all these things, that depends upon your dasa also. Of course, this is about money, so some gain actually indicated for every Capricorn zodiac sign people, whoever running through good dasa time period. If 50% people or 40% people are actually running through good dasa time period, they will get some positive things. Okay, so we need to check the chart in detailed way so that we can judge properly. Okay, that's these are the general prediction, and which I explained in the disclaimer note. Second thing actually, that is the very important point. Two things I told you. Third thing actually, about career actually, you need to careful in the period between July 17th to August 11th. Just take care about your career. So that's it all about Capricorn zodiac people, guys. So for Aquarius zodiac sign people, retrograde Jupiter will transit over your first house, and it will aspect your fifth house actually. Okay, so it's basically represents something related to children actually indicated. So this transit period may give pregnancy to some women whoever born in Aquarius zodiac sign, but we need to check their dasa, etc. Whoever married women, I mean. We need to check dasa and whatever dasa chart, etc. Okay, so important thing, then we can tell properly. But if suppose you are looking forward to get pregnancy and you are running through good dasas, then you can expect some positive news about childbirth. If in case you are not married, then this transit period actually will give you some enjoyments and also knowledge which will help you in the future. So that is a very important thing. And the second thing actually, Mars is aspecting Jupiter, which is 8th aspect actually. So due to this thing, I would suggest you be careful between June 20th onwards to July 20th. Be careful about career actually. Okay, about career you should be very careful in this time period. If you are careful, then the degree level of the problem will be decreases, or else it will be nullify also. And another thing actually, another thing again, precaution, that is between July 17th to August 11th, you should be careful about relationship, because there will be some little bit problems indicated in the relationship. If you are careful, no need to worry. And if you are running through good time dasa, then you don't need to worry again. If you are running through bad time period, bad dasa, then you should be careful. If you are careful, then the degree level of the problem will decreases. That's it all about Aquarius, guys. For Pisces zodiac sign people, this time period actually is about house related matters and vehicle related matters. So something related to house, like maybe buying a house or shifting a house, or at least you will get new ideas which will make your dream of buying a house easier. Like until now you may not get proper ideas, but this time you will get new ideas to buy a house or else vehicle also. So same thing, whatever I told about house will be applicable for vehicle. I mean to say, you may buy a vehicle, or else at least new thoughts, like somebody may say there is a loans EMI process is there which is easier, something like that. You kind of ideas you will get in this time period. Depends upon dasa system, what dasa you are running, depends upon your chart. We can predict in detailed way about this thing. So but generally this period actually is about something related to houses and house and vehicle, something related to, definitely it will be takes place. The degree level of positivity or negativity, that depends upon your chart and dasa. Okay. And the second thing actually, your Jupiter actually sitting in the your retrograde Jupiter will travel over your 12th house. Okay, so and then after September 14th it will travel over your 11th house. So 11th house actually income, and 12th house actually is about spending money on, investing money on something, like for children related things you may spend money. And it is more about expenditure. So in this transit time period, I would say you will spend money on something which is useful. So at the same time you will focus on income related things also, because that is after September 14th. And one more thing, actually very important thing, Mars actually aspecting 8th aspect. Mars actually aspecting Jupiter, which is not good actually, because Mars condition actually not good. So this 8th aspect actually not good. So because of this, between June 20th onwards to July 20th, I would suggest to take care about your health. So, and also your money related things also should be take care. That's it all about Pisces.